Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel, MTH, ready-made trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Just when you thought the election was over, Lionel Trains has announced an exclusive Trump Vance number 4547 Legacy ES44 AC diesel exclusively for Legacy Station. The diesel is expected to arrive in the second quarter of 2025 with an early order price of $674.99. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive UP-FEF Class 484 in U.S. Army colors for Stockyard Express. This will be an extremely limited run of only 24 models. The early order price is $1449.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-scale lighted billboard featuring a Choo Choo Barn advertisement for exclusive distribution by Choo Choo Barn of Strasburg, Pennsylvania. The billboard will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in January 2025. The early order price is $49.95. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued O-scale lighted billboard featuring a Lion Estates advertisement for exclusive distribution by Nassau Trains. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $44.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-scale flat car with 48-foot trailer in Elgin Joliet and Eastern colors and Schwinn bicycle trailer for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The cars will be available in two car numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in February 2025. The early order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Rail King O-Gauge number 193 water towers decorated for Pennsylvania, Strasburg, Steamtown, Norfolk Southern, and Union Pacific late next spring. All will be limited in production and are expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in June 2025. The towers come fully assembled and include a flashing beacon that can be powered by any appropriate AC or DC power source not included. The suggested retail price is $69.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge modern tank car in unique Skyline Chili colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in two unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in January 2025. The early order price is $69.95. MTH Trains has also announced an exclusive Rail King modern tank car in Texas Pete colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The cars will be available in two unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in January 2025. For a real kick, try adding Texas Pete to your Skyline Chili. The early order price is $69.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot streamlined full-length Vista Dome car in Western Maryland colors for the Community Model Railroad Club in Western Maryland. The car will be produced in very limited quantities and is available for order on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival of April 2025. The early order price is $95 plus freight. Now arriving at authorized RMT dealers are RMT Premium Ore cars. These highly detailed cars are available in more than 40 varieties, so follow the link in the video description to see the complete RMT Ore car lineup and where they may be found. The cars are recommended for O36 and larger curves and retail for $34.95 each. And if you're a fan of Lionel's classic number 6464 boxcars, check out these museum-quality 16-inch by 20-inch posters exclusively from Trains.com. 3 different posters are available on sale for $26.95 each, or get all 3 for $56.07. Follow the link in the video description to order. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.